Yes.
You speak English, huh?
A little more. A little more.
Okay. Alonso, tanto tú como Ainara, como José, vuestra ayuda viene a estas personas. Es su madre y es una mujer que lleva aquí mucho tiempo, según ellos. Necesitan ayuda, que ella tiene cáncer. Según ella, no han comido desde ayer, no porque no quieren, pero porque no tienen nada para comer, ¿vale? Entonces, le vamos a dar lo que ustedes han ayudado, tanto Fati también. Esto pueda ayudar con lo que... This, okay? This. After this, and I hope this can help. I wish I can do more. Dicen que ellos están con el tratamiento. They are following the treatment from the hospital, but they need more, like food. Yes, they need some support, and that's why we are here. So I hope this motivates a lot of people to do more. Please, if we can, ask please if they have account number.
Yes.
Okay.
They have.
Okay.
Yeah.
They have account number.
Yeah. Account into the book. It's at the book. She's going to book. Sorry.
We are looking for her account number, so we will give her number, her account number to everyone that would want to support. Please, would want to support her. You can see her.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jamilakan atau kulala. Iya account Andishi 5
Okay, her name, she said her name already?
Yeah.
Jamila.
Jamila.
Okay, big up to all the Ethiopians in the house watching this video. I don't know where you're watching this video from, but I'm gonna tell you something, okay? You don't need much to help. You don't need a lot to help, okay? I wish I have all it takes to help these people, this family. I wish I can, but I am no one to help all the people I meet every day. So that's why I'm calling on everybody that are watching this video, okay? The account number she just mentioned, please. 1 bill is something. 2 bill is something. It's nothing for you, but it's something. It could go a lot. So please, this woman, she has cancer. She have cancer. She's been following up the treatment, but it's not easy for her. She and her family, this is her mom. This is her mom, her family, everybody here, they need help. So we've done the ones we can, the ones we could, okay? We've given her the ones we can, but they need more, please. At least they need to have daily bread. They need to have daily bread, even though it's twice a day. I came here, they were telling me they didn't eat for a long time. Like since yesterday, they didn't eat. And I was touched. So please, I'm begging I'm just starting from Ethiopians, okay? Please, Please let us come together and show some love to this family. They really need it. I hope you heard this, and not just her. Like I said before, her mom. Her mom, she what?
Kidney.
She has a kidney problem. Her
Yes.
mom. Oh, her mom also has a kidney problem. Please, guys, please. €1, like I said, $1, anything you can support with would be enough. Okay, and this is her account number, which she has pronounced. She named it, and this